Now let's see how to create this kinetic typography. First of all, go to Toolbar, select Typing Tool, and type whatever you want. I am using Montserrat font with 2 different style. You can use any font and style, according to your choice. You can download project file from link in the description, but only subscribers can download it. And make sure your text align is center. We add one more text with same style. And make sure this text is also in center. Now press Ctrl R to turn on ruler, and insert 2 lines. If you want to hide the ruler, then press Ctrl R again. We hide the second text by click on eye icon. Select first text, we change the anchor point position. Press Y and move the anchor point to upward. Now we add rotation animation on text. Select layer and press R for rotation. Come at 1 second and add a rotation keyframe. Now come at first frame, and change the rotation value to 119, so it gives us a nice rotation animation. Select both keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, select Easy Ease. Now go to Graph Editor, and change curves something like that. Unhide the second text by click on eye icon. Move the second text at 1 second. We also add position animator on it. Now change position value to downward. We change something like that. Open range selector, and add start keyframe at 1 second. Go forward approx 2 second and change start value to 100%. Now our animation look like this. We are going to draw a rectangle on second text layer. Select both keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, select Easy Ease. Now go to Graph Editor, and change curves something like that. Select both text layer and press P for position. Add position keyframe at 3 second. Go forward approx 4 second and change both position value on the opposite side. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Press bell icon for latest videos. Now go to Toolbar, select Typing Tool. We add 2 more text layer with different style but same font. Make sure this text is also in center. Select both text layer and press P for position. Add position keyframe at 4 second. Go back at 3 second and change both position value on the opposite side. Now select all keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, select Easy Ease. Now go to Graph Editor, and change curves something like that. Now we trim the both layer by Ctrl and box brackets. Now we add new null object layer. We also link both text layer to null object layer. Now press P, Shift S, Shift R, for position scale and rotation. Now add all 3 keyframes. We hide both text layer by click on eye icon. We also add one last text, with same font but different style, and one more thing, make sure your text align is center. Now we unhide both text layer by click on eye icon. We change rotation value to -90 degree. We also change position value and scale value. You can adjust the values according to size of last text. Now our animation look like this. Select last text and press P for position. Add position keyframe at 6 seconds and change position value. Come at 7 seconds and align it to center. Now our animation look like this. Now go to Toolbar, select Rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Adjust the size according to your text. Now bring down the shape layer, and press F4, and change matte to alpha matte. Now press U for keyframes setting. Now select all keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, select Easy Ease. Select Null Layer Keyframes, then go to Graph Editor and change curves like that. Select Text Layer Keyframes, then go to Graph Editor and change curves like that. Now our animation look like this. Now we change the text color of all text layers one by one. You change any color you want. Now our animation look like this. We select all text layer, except first two text layers. Create a pre-compose by Ctrl-Shift-C, we call it Text 2-3. Now press R, Shift-A, and add keyframes. Now press Y for anchor point, and change its position. Go forward approx 15 frames and we change rotation value to 21 degree. We add new null object layer. We also link text 2-3 composition to null layer. Now press R for rotation. We also change anchor point position like that. Add rotation keyframe, and go forward approx 15 frames and we change rotation value something like that. We are going to decrease the word spacing of last text. Select all keyframes and change it to Easy Ease. Now select all rotation keyframes, then go to Graph Editor and change curves something like that. I hope this tutorial help you to make your own kinetic typography. Please like this video and subscribe the channel to motivate us, and see you in next tutorial.